In the far north of Pakistan, where the mountains rise like ancient guardians, winter is not just a season, it is a test. Here in the remote villages of the Hunza Valley, cold is not measured by temperature, but how deeply it carves into your bones. Snow drifts swallow the path, ice locks the rivers, and survival becomes a daily ritual. Yet, something magical happens in this frozen world. While winter tries to silence the valley, the people refuse to grow quiet. They gather, they dance, they love. Their joy becomes a fire warmer than any hurt. Because up here, happiness is not found in comfort, but in community. Life may be hard, but hearts are soft, hands are strong, and traditions are alive like the beating pulse of the mountains themselves. Watch closely. On frozen lakes and icy fields, the young and old move in a rhythm older than memory. Drums echo against the cliffs, flutes whisper through the wind, and the valley becomes a stage for a culture that refuses to fade. Why do the people of Hunza Valley live longer than most of us? Some say it's the natural food, others say it's the clean mountain air, the steep climbs, the daily work carved into mountain life. But maybe the answer lies here, in the moments where they dance on ice, celebrate the cold, and find joy even in hardship. Maybe longevity is not only about the body, but the spirit. Because these people have mastered an art many of us have forgotten, the art of living simply, but fully. The art of finding warmth in laughter, strength in unity, and wisdom in the slow rhythm of nature. This is winter in the Hunza Valley, harsh, breathtaking, unforgiving, and yet filled with music, movement, and meaning. This is rustic mountain life, raw, ancient, and beautiful. A place where the cold shapes the land, but joy shapes the people.